In the name of Jesus. As I announce in the name of Jesus, I need you to thunderate great and mighty things that I do not know of. As your people declare this word, great and mighty things, such they have never experienced, such they have never seen. I know they have seen your wonders, but Abba, you gave us disappointment. Abba, record great and mighty things that all the end may know that you are still God, that all the end may know you superintend over the affairs of men, that every mortal will bow to your lordship. That the one at the point of death they know that even dry bones can live again. Azakadaya, Arekuba, Azakina, Alabiana, Azakaku, Jokuba, Zekala, Regede Katikuka Kalayane, Zekabaradoya, Rekitazo, Lekedebia, Azakana, Atikapude, Lekirasa, Lekedebia, Azadaba, Rekobosuba, Rakadaya, Atake Kabayada, Rekodazea, Atabika, Zadaya, Zakoba, Rakikaka, Zekolaya, Rakidasa, Alakada, Azeka, Alakira, Alabiana, Elabisa, Azakaya, Alikada, Bobosuka, Lekadabisa, Alabiana, Azabina, Azayana, in the name of Jesus. You are going to declare great and mighty things that I do not know of. In the name of Jesus. 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 Oh Jesus, in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. For the last time, in the name of Jesus. Let me hear your shafire. 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 Say right now. Right now. Great and mighty things that has never happened in my life. Great and mighty things that only the hand of the Lord can make happen. Great and mighty things that will rewrite my story. Great and mighty things that will accelerate my journey. Great and mighty things that will silence the voice of mockers. Great and mighty things, great and mighty things that will fulfill the word of the Lord over my life. Great and mighty things that will showcase the glory of heaven over my life. Great and mighty things. Break out, break out, break out, break out, break out. Thunder and roar. I am tired of the ordinary. I am tired of the way things are. I am tired of negativity. I am tired. I am tired. Abba, you said, call unto me, and I will answer, and I will will show you great and mighty things on this day, the first day of fullness of us. I announce great and mighty things. Break out, great and mighty things. Break out, 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 break out. Now, 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 open your mouth. Rekotobalaya, Rekotobalataya, Rekatata, Rakatata, Rabiadaba, Oshabada, Rakata, Rakata, break out, spirit break out, spirit break out, Rabiada Baba, Oshabiada, great and mighty things, Oshabiada, Rekotobaya, nothing's of the ordinary after today, Rekatata, great and mighty things, great and mighty things, Orabalababa, Orabiadaka, Oshaba, Ataka, Ereka, Elabia, Oshabada, Oraketa, Orababa, Olabiaka, Olakata, Olababa, Oshambi, Kopo, Rekatabiada, Akada, Kopa, Sada, Orakopoto, Olakatabiada, Ayayaya, Orakota, Orabiadaba, Orababa, Jokopoto, 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 Rekadabia, Orabiada, Oshabada, Olakata, Olababa, Orakatona, Rakopoto, Olakada, Olabiada Kosha, Olakita, Olakadabia, Orababa, Orakatana, Olabiada Baso, Orakataya, Rekopotota, Rabiada Baba, Jakata, Rekodobala, Rakatabia, Zabata, my God, great and mighty things, the dead will rise, great and mighty things, autism will be reversed, great and mighty things, the oppressed are set free, great and mighty things, 20 years in one day, great and mighty things, none shall be bound, none shall be oppressed, great and mighty things, revival is here, revival is here, Ayakotolaba, Rakatabia, Rakatabiana, Jakapa, 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 Rokopota, Rakatabia, Rokopabasha, Atakata, Olabalaba, Orabanakota, Olakata, Rakatabia, Rakotoma, Osakata, Rabia Baba, Orakadea, Osatama, Orababa, Oraketa, Orabalaba, Arakota, Rabiada, Orabalaka, Oraketa, Orababa, Osabate, Alakata, Olabana, Orakota, Olababa, Orakota, Alabeta, Orababa, Oraketa, Oraketa, Olabeta, Orabiada, Osabata, Orababa, let your image on.